Top pre-employment engineering skills tests. Engineering is one of the fastest growing sectors in the United States. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, the engineering profession needs to grow by 15% to meet increasing demand and replace retiring baby boomers. A shortfall could jeopardize the health of the American economy. While this offers an excellent opportunity for job seekers, employers find it challenging to fill vacancies. A massive shortage of engineers is expected to worsen as demand for all types of skilled engineering professionals grows. However, businesses can improve their chances of landing top talent by incorporating engineering skills tests into their hiring and screening strategies. In this executive report, we discussed some of the top engineering proficiencies that are in demand and electrical, mechanical, and performance test engineer skills tests that are effective for screening technical professionals. Download the executive report on this page to learn 3 must-have engineering skills, how to pre-screen candidates with engineer skills tests, the best skills test to use to hire engineers, how to use engineering skills tests from eSkill. eSkill.com. Get a demo.